Hey everyone, it's Bobby from Birds with another spring warbler warm-up video, and this one is going to cover Ovenbird. Now, these are fairly unique looking birds in the warbler family. They have a fairly bold white eye ring and kind of an orange crown stripe just down the middle of the head, and that's bordered on both sides by a dark stripe. And from the side, sometimes you can't see the kind of that more orange color, but typically you will see the dark. And the underside is pretty heavily streaked, and the upper side is kind of just like a greenish brown type color. And like I said, these are fairly unique in the warbler family. Really, the only species that would be similar looking in Pennsylvania and the northeastern U.S. would be the Waterthrushes. So Louisiana waterthrush like this bird, or northern waterthrush, which is very similar. And you can see just the head pattern is very different. They don't have an orange crown stripe. They do have this eyebrow, which is white in Louisiana waterthrush and a little more yellowish on northern waterthrush typically. But they don't have an eye ring, and just the bill structure is also a little bit different, and just the overall body shape and posture is different as well. So I would say in general, you're not going to confuse those too often. And the main confusion species for Ovenbird is probably more in the thrush family. I see them called thrushes more than I see them mixed up with water thrushes. And water thrushes and thrushes are actually two different families. Water thrushes are in the warbler family, and then thrushes are their own family. And I'll use this Swainson's thrush as an example. But you can see just the overall structure of the bird is very different. Thrushes are a little more robin-like. Robins are actually thrushes. But you can just see that in their posture and their body. They have more of like a robin or a bluebird type shape to them. And they often do have a bit of an eye ring, especially Swainson's has kind of a buffy eye ring. But it's not really as bold as the eye ring on an Ovenbird. And another difference is kind of between the underside. So on the thrushes, typically you're just going to see spots. And on Ovenbird, it's more of streaking. So you can see there's quite a difference in the underside pattern as well. And I think it comes down to more just a matter of awareness. If you're aware of Ovenbird and the water thrushes and the spotted thrushes, I think you'll know to look carefully, and you shouldn't really confuse them too much. They're not super similar, but of course they do have a superficial similarity in their overall color and plumage. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.